Hello everyone, today I'm going to present my project about the Peruvian coast, where a conservation project is trying to protect the humboldt penguin, an endangered species that lives along the coastal habitat. I chose this location because the wildlife here is by the far the most fascinating I've ever seen. In these photos you can see their black and white feathers shining into the sun, and if you look closely, there at the rocks, you also notice the sea lions resting nearby. This habitat is under serious threat. Overfishing has reduced the anchovy population, which is the main food source of these penguins. As a result, if we do not act now, the species will continue to decline. Climate change is also affecting the ocean temperatures, which make it even harder for them to find the food. Let's talk about the visitors and the rules they have to follow. Visitors must follow strict rules to help protect this fragile environment. You have to stay on the market paths and you mustn't approach to the penguins or their nest. You can bring pets to the reserve and you ought to avoid loud noises that might be frightening the wildlife. Of course, you should always recycle your rubbish and take it with you when you leave. Conservationists are meeting with marine biologists to plan the next step for this recovery program. They are going to discuss how local fishing communities can work together with the conservationists. If this project succeeds, the penguin population will slowly recover over the next few years. As for the culture, life along this coast is much more relaxed than in Lima. There is no rush hour and no traffic jam. Just fishing boats leaving nearly in the morning. Local transport is simple. Small boats and a few local buses connect to the village along the coast. Regarding the food, one traditional dish from this region is ceviche, made with raw fish marinated in lime juice, onions, and chili. It's spicier than the most dishes I usually eat, and honestly, it's tastier than the most fish dishes. The sauce, called leche de tigre, has a slightly bitter aftertaste, but is very popular among locals. Local fishermen have picked up traditional techniques passed down for generations. This connection between culture and nature is part of what made this project so special. Remember, if you care about our oceans, you should support sustainable fishing and visit this place responsibly. And this is my Global Guardian report on the Peruvian coast. Thank you for watching.